Here's a big breaking coming in right from Afghanistan. IAF plane carrying Indians from Kabul lands today in Jamnagar. Over 100 Indians, including embassy staffers, returned from Kabul. Remember, there have been desperate Afghans who are trying to flee the country at the earliest. Many Indians who are currently in Afghanistan as well, in Kabul. An IAF plane carrying Indians who have been evacuated from Kabul now finally lands in Jamnagar. Over 100 Indians, including embassy staffers, return from Kabul. Let me cut across to Geeta Mohan joining us more on that. Geeta, we do know that Kabul airport now is shut. It's in the hands of Taliban. Taliban quite literally now deciding who takes off, who lands. At a time like this, we see the IAF plane carrying Indians from Kabul now landing in Jamnagar. Over 100 Indians who've been brought in, including some embassy staffers. Take us through the difficulties with which this evacuation was carried out.
Well, after the flight operations were suspended at the Kabul airport, it had become very difficult, one, to mobilize all the people, see where they are staying, whether if there is enough space. Quite a few of the Indians were then called to the mission to the embassy so that movement could be easy from the mission to the airport. And then after gathering all of them at the mission, they were all taken in a convoy with protection that was provided after coordination with the Taliban that they will be leaving from the airport from the mission to the airport. Remember, the Taliban have very clearly said that all diplomats will be provided security and that their secure departure, or for that matter stay, is the responsibility of the Taliban. And therefore there was coordination with the US forces who are manning the Kabul airport and the operations of the air traffic. And then they coordinated with the people on the ground, that's the Taliban. So then the convoy left the mission and reached the embassy, they left the mission and reached the airport. From there, they boarded on to the aircraft. We have visuals, these are exclusive to India today, of the visuals of the scenes inside the aircraft. And then they landed in Jamnagar, because if they land in Delhi, it would be in Palam Technical Area, which is where there is no immigration office for the common people. The immigration of the Indian nationals, apart from officials and a few of the Afghans, if they're also on board, will have to take place in Jamnagar, or would have had to take place in the commercial belt of the airport here in Delhi. And that's the reason why they landed in Jamnagar. The immigration is going to take place over there. They land at the Palam Technical over here. And then the process of debriefing by the Indian ambassador will take place with the headquarters here in Delhi.
Tragic situations there with Indians now, many of them stranded. India promptly pulling out many of those envoys, diplomats from Kabul at the earliest, even amid the airport shutdown in Kabul. Thank you, Geeta, for joining us with those details.